Hello friends, once again I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Arun Singh Vinamra. Friends, today I am with you part B, Unit 4 of the Principles syllabus, which is dedicated to the governance and administration of higher education with special reference to UP. Some special initiatives and special institutions and institution act statutes which are related to UP will be discussed later on in the coming next videos. But here this first lecture is dedicated to the general outline of the administration and governance which are related to higher education. And in this video, I have tried to summarize the important facts related to this particular topic, which have been the part of different examinations during last 15 years. Actually, this syllabus is exactly the same which is prescribed in the syllabus of UGC NET examination. That's why in the NET examination, which types of questions were asked during last 15 years, I have tried to cover those questions in this video as a single liner statement. Every line is an answer of a particular question that may be asked or has been asked in the earlier examinations. Friends, once again I will request you, if till the day you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and share it among your friends to make the channel more useful. And do not forget to press the bell icon to receive the new notifications on time. As usual, again I have to repeat it, that please listen the video carefully, because PDF version is not very clear, although PDF link is given as usual in the comment section of the first lecture. So please listen carefully before downloading the PDF. One thing again I would like to clear, that actually this one-liner statement is more easier to write in English. It will take lesser space, it will be more clear, it will be easier to understand. That's why this complete video will be discussed via English language. Okay friends, let us start. This Unit 4 of the Part B is dedicated to the governance and administration of higher education. 26th of January 2003, IGNOU launched Eklavya Channel for technical education. Several times it has been asked, Eklavya Channel is associated with which type of education? NCTE and NAAC signed MOU. नेशनल नॉलेज कमीशन रिकमेंडेशन, इसने रिकमेंड किया कि 1500 यूनिवर्सिटीज should be established to increase enrollment. Medical is not considered as a part of technical education. It is a professional education. Group discussion is more interactive and student-centric. Sometimes this type of question has been asked, that which one is the method of teaching is student-centric, and group discussion is more interactive and student-centric. Distance education contributes 25% in education system. How much contribute distance education? Distance education contributes 25% in education system. Academic staff college improves quality of teachers. Orientation course and refresher course are compulsory for teachers. Value education makes a student good citizen. Networking of libraries through electronic media is InflibNet. Sometimes it is asked, what is InflibNet? So InflibNet is a type of library which runs through the electronic media. IGNOU telecasts interactive educational program through own channel. UGC 3 of 1956 Act. UGC was established by which act? Sometimes this question is asked. University having central campus is called Central University. National Education Day is celebrated on 11th of November since 2008 on the birthday of Education Minister Abul Kalam, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. CABE, Central Advisory Board on Education, was established in 1920, dissolved in 1923, again revived in 1935, and continued to exist till 1994. Deemed to be university is established by notification of central government on the recommendation of UGC under section 3 of article 1956. Normal universities are under section 2F. They are section 3 and 2F. First open university in 1982, Andhra Pradesh, Ambedkar University. Normally this question is asked, which one open university is the oldest in country and in which state? You must be knowing that Ambedkar University is the oldest and it is situated in Andhra Pradesh. Most of the universities in India are funded by UGC. AICTE established in 1945 as advisory body and became a statutory body in 1987. Looks after all issues related to technical and management education. Yes. Natural justice is an inalienable right of a citizen. During pleasure of the President, Attorney General holds the office. First Defence University started in Gurgaon, Haryana in 2010. Will start after 7 years. Kothari Commission recommended 3 language formula. Sometimes it is asked that which commission recommended 3 language formula. Kothari Commission recommended 3 language formula. Article 21A and Right to Education Act came into existence on 1st of April 2010. Very important act है. शिक्षा का अधिकार जिस एक्ट में आपको दिया गया वो कब लागू हुआ और उसी के साथ आर्टिकल में भी एडिशन हुआ, 21A ऐड हुआ 1 अप्रैल 2010 को. first national policy on education in free India, Kothari Commission 1968, covers all parts. ऐसी शिक्षा नीति जिसने हर क्षेत्र को कवर किया, प्राइमरी, इंटरमीडिएट, यूनिवर्सिटी, तो उसे हम कोठारी कमीशन कहते हैं, जिसकी रिपोर्ट 1960, जिसके रिपोर्ट के आधार पर 1968 में नई शिक्षा नीति लागू हुई। सेंसस 2011 के हिसाब से लिटरेसी रेट 74%, त्रिपुरा में हाईएस्ट 94.65%, फिर केरला में 93.91%. The Sarada Act, a very important act, sometimes it is asked that what is Sarada Act? Sarada Act prohibits child marriage of girls. 1 April 1930, in the name of Harbilas Sharada, मेल की शादी की उम्र 18 ईयर्स और फीमेल की 14 ईयर्स इसमें डिसाइड की गई थी। Sarada Act is related to child marriages. This line should be remembered. Operation Blackboard was introduced by Center to improve primary education. Ceiling fixed by Supreme Court for the reservation is 50%. In USA, teacher education is treated as technical education. Article 45, free and compulsory education to all in between age group of 6 to 14 years. Article 45 important. 15(3) special provision for women and children. किस आर्टिकल में महिलाओं और बच्चों के लिए विशेष प्रोविजन किए गए? तो आर्टिकल 15 के सब सेक्शन 3 में 16(1) and 2 is related to equality and opportunity. State institutes of education conduct refresher courses for teachers. The South Asia University is situated in the city of New Delhi. Prime Minister is the Chancellor of only university which is Vishwa Bharati Central University. Normally चांसलर या तो राष्ट्रपति होता है सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटीज का, या स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटीज का चांसलर राज्यपाल होता है, लेकिन द ओनली यूनिवर्सिटी इज विश्व भारती सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी, उसका चांसलर प्राइम मिनिस्टर है। इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एडवांस्ड स्टडीज वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड in 1964 in Simla. It started its function from 20th October 1965. SC/ST, women, rural people, handicapped, all constitute disadvantaged section of society, defined in section 2D. This is important है, जितने भी disadvantaged group हैं उनको constitution के किस section में defined है? तो section 2D में defined है। DIET stand for District Institute of Education and Training. DIET, District Institute of Education and Training. Research Sponsoring Agency ERIC is a unit of NCERT. Educational, sometimes a full form of ERIC is asked. Educational Research and Innovations Committee. SSA aims at universalization of elementary education up to the age of 14 years before 2010 and launched in 2001 में सर्व शिक्षा अभियान 2001 में लागू हुआ। NCTE and RCI signed MOU for Special Education in India. Rehabilitation Council of India और NCTE ने मेमो साइन किया। Midday meal was initiated to increase the enrollment. National Program of Nutritional Support for Primary Education on 15th of August 95 को। VEC and SSA stands for Village Education Committee. Ramurthy Committee 1990 recommended for improvement in teacher education. Dr. Durgabai Deshmukh Committee was first after independence to focus on women